Ugh, I'm so confused. I'm trying to edit my DNA scarf, but it's impossible. I can't even find the right DNA pattern to start cutting at. Hey, CRISPR, what are you doing? And what's wrong? Obviously, I'm editing my DNA scarf with a meat cleaver while wearing oven mitts. What else would I be doing? That's oddly specific. Well, that's basically how I edit genes. One strand at a time, with one guide or hand to tell me what to do. And only if I spot the right pattern nearby to start cutting. Here, why don't you just take off your sunglasses, take off your gloves, and use both of your hands, like your cousin, TIGR-Tas, edits DNA. Ugh, don't compare me to my cousin TIGR-Tas. Dad always does that.
Sorry, CRISPR, you're a really powerful and revolutionary piece of technology, but TIGR-Tas, or tandem interspaced guide RNA-associated protein, has addressed some of your major limitations, and it is pretty impressive. Researchers at MIT and the Broad Institute just discovered it in ancient microbes. And unlike you, it's tiny, just a quarter of the size of the scissors, or rather meat cleavers, that CRISPR uses to cut DNA. And it also doesn't need that special PAM tag, the short DNA sequence that CRISPR needs to recognize and cut its target. And the best part is that it uses two guides, one for each DNA strand. Tiger is so amazing.
Excuse me, what did you just say?
And you too, CRISPR. I guess. Think of DNA as fabric woven from two threads. CRISPR can only grab one thread, and only cuts if it spots the right pattern nearby. The PAM tag, which is messy and prone to error. But TIGR-Tas, it grabs both strands at once with two guides, lines them up, and makes a clean stitch, exactly where we want it. There's no slipping, no PAM, and an increased amount of precision. And because TIGR-Tas is so compact, it actually fits inside of really small delivery vehicles, like viruses or nanoparticles, that doctors can then use to treat their patients. It can reach parts of the genome that CRISPR can't, and it makes fewer mistakes. It's like sewing with two hands, instead of one oven mitt thumb.